Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to get your Xero certification. Getting Xero certified is one of the best ways to formally prove your knowledge of cloud accounting and bookkeeping using Xero. Whether you're an accountant, bookkeeper, finance student, business owner, or freelancer, Xero certifications can strengthen your credibility and help you stand out professionally. But many people assume certification is just about passing a test. It's actually more about learning how real accounting workflows function inside the software. A Xero certification is an official learning credential showing that you've completed training and demonstrated knowledge of using Xero. Start by opening your browser. Go to the search bar and search for Xero certification. This helps you locate Xero's official learning and certification resources instead of unofficial third-party sites. Click on the first result related to certifications. You'll be directed to the Xero Certifications and Badges page. This area contains certification programs, learning tracks, training resources, and professional badges. Navigate to the Certification section. Then click on Show More to see the list of certifications. You'll now see a broader list of certification programs available through Xero. Depending on availability and region, certifications may include Advisor Certification, Payroll Certification, Migration Certifications, and industry-specific learning paths. Now browse through the certification options. Different certifications focus on different skill sets. You don't necessarily need to complete every certification. Choosing the one most aligned with your goals is usually smarter than collecting certifications randomly. Choose the certification you want. What happens after selecting it? You'll usually see details such as course overview, learning objectives, estimated completion time, requirements, and training structure. Enrollment gives you access to the certification learning materials and training modules. Once you complete the program successfully, Xero awards you a certification and/or a digital badge. Xero certifications are useful because they demonstrate accounting software proficiency, cloud bookkeeping knowledge, financial workflow understanding, and commitment to professional development. To summarize, getting your Xero certification begins by searching for Xero certification in your browser and opening the official certifications page. Once directed to the Xero Certifications and Badges section, you navigate to the certifications area and click Show More to view the available programs. After reviewing the list of certifications, you choose the one most relevant to your goals and enroll in the program to begin the training process. Completing the certification helps demonstrate professional knowledge of using Xero and cloud accounting workflows, and that's how to get your Xero certification. Certifications can definitely strengthen your professional profile, but the people who benefit most are usually the ones who combine the training with actual hands-on practice inside Xero. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.